Tired of lagging caused due to red ping and looking for a way to fix it? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to fix red ping in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open settings of your phone. Then scroll down to About Phone. Then tap on Software Information. Here you can see build number. Tap on it 7 times to get access to developer option. Then go back to main settings. Now you can see the option of developers option. Tap on it. Here find background process limit. Select at most one process. This feature will block other apps to run in the background that causes lag while playing game. And that's how you can fix red ping in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.